Hey everyone, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify Wise account. So first of all, you need to sign up or log in to your Wise account and then you have to start a transfer or add funds. Wise usually prompts you for verification when you try to send money or add a significant amount to your balance. And then you have to upload your documents like here it says what type of documents does Wise accept? Wise accepts a valid ID like passport, photo page only, national ID card. We only accept the most recent version of the national cards and photo driving license. There are some exceptions, and a valid proof of address document can be utility bill, a bank or credit card statement, or a local tax system, vehicle registration, or tax and photo driving license showing the address and expiry date, any other government or financial institution issued document. So the main thing is you need to have a passport, national ID card, a driving license, and you have to take a live selfie. Wise will ask you to take a selfie or record a short video to match your face with your ID. So follow the on-screen instructions and ensure good lighting. And after that, you need to verify your address and if required. In some cases, you may also need to upload a proof of address like a utility bill, bank statement, or official letter issued within the last 3 months, as I've already said. And after that, you have to wait for review. Verification typically takes a few hours or to up to 2 business days. You will receive an email once your account is approved, and that's it. Once verified, you can send, receive, and hold money globally with full access to Wise features. Like and subscribe if this helped, and drop a comment if you have questions. Till the next video.